everyone, I'm Alexa Trishae Canopin, and today I'll be sharing my chosen learner-centered philosophy, progressivism. This philosophy truly inspires me as a future teacher because it focuses on the learner's experiences, interest, and active participation in learning. Progressivism is an educational philosophy that believes students learn best through experiences. Instead of focusing only on textbooks or lectures, progressivism encourages critical thinking, collaboration, and hands-on learning. I choose progressivism because I believe that learning should be meaningful and connected to real life. As a learner myself, I notice that I understand lessons better when I can apply them, experiment, and discover answers on my own. As a future teacher, I want to create a classroom where my students can ask questions, share ideas, explore, and work together. Here are some ways I plan to apply progressivism in my future classroom. First is the science experiment. So instead of reading about plants, students can grow their own and observe how they grow and change every week. Second is the group project. For example, in English, students can create a short story and act it out in the class. Third is the creative arts and integration. So in math, students can make shapes with paper cutouts or use real objects to solve problems. So these activities help my students think, explore, and enjoy learning just like really young scientists, artists, and problem solvers. So, here's an example. If we are learning about saving the environment, my students can collect recyclable materials and create an art project out of them. So this way, they are not just reading about reduce, reuse, and recycle, they are actually doing it. To wrap it up, progressivism helps students become active learners, creative thinkers, and responsible individuals. So, as a future teacher, I want my classroom to be a place where learning is not just about books, it's about experiences, discovery, and fun. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Always remember, we learn best when we learn by doing.